Buying organic food can be more expensive than non-organic, but if you have a baby or toddler and can afford it, you will give your child a great start. This is because at this stage in life, their organs, and especially their brains, are still developing. You are also training their little taste buds to eat healthier, especially if you add in lots of organic vegetables to the meals that you feed your child. The vegetables that traditionally people tend to dislike are the best. Include cabbage, cauliflower, kale, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. These are the vegetables that give protection against illness in future life. Children that eat these vegetables are also less likely to develop a taste for sugar, which can cause all sorts of problems to health in later life. First, let's look at purees. The first recipes that your organic baby will enjoy are purees. These can be eaten alone or mixed together. Fruits and berries are the worst non-organic foods that you can eat. This is because they have a soft skin, so more chemicals are sucked up into them. Second, eggs. Organic free-range eggs are a perfect food for your growing toddler. Beware that some babies are allergic to egg. Always let cooked foods cool before feeding to your child. Cook the whole egg in boiling water for 4 minutes. Break the egg into a mug with a splash of milk of choice. Whisk with a fork. Pop into the microwave for 15-second intervals. Stir and check if cooked. Serve once set and cooled. Next up, solid food. When your child is able to eat solid food, you can stew organic vegetables together. An ideal recipe includes organic or homegrown potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, and Swedes. Peel and chop into even chunks. Gently cook in a saucepan or slow cooker with some water and a low-salt stock cube. Add bunches of organic herbs. Rosemary, thyme, or parsley add extra flavor and nutritional benefit. Once soft, remove herbs. Mash vegetables gently with a fork or masher. Finally, extra protein. Start thinking about adding meat and fish for protein. Fish is ideal as it is softer and easier to digest. Fish is also a food that many people tend not to eat enough of, so adding it to your child's meals early gets them used to the flavor. Whitefish is ideal to start with, but make sure it is line caught from the sea and not farmed. Do you have any suggestions on this topic? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe. The topic for the video today is organic ice cream. Ice cream is usually made from milk and/or cream, eggs, and sugar. Milk is very important for health because it contains calcium. This is especially important for growing babies and children to build bones and teeth. This is why it is the only food fed to babies in the first months of their lives. Organic cows are allowed to feed on grass and live in fields. The milk from these cows has more nutrients in it compared to regular milk. This is because the nutrients come from the ground into the grass, the cow, and then the milk. Organic milk has many more vitamins, minerals, and a healthy fat called omega-3. So far so good, but ice cream is not just milk. It also contains cream. Cream is very high in fat. Even cream from organic cows. Not all fat is bad for us, but the fat in cream is called saturated fat. If you eat too much saturated fat, it can lead to a type of fat in the blood called cholesterol. Eggs. The other ingredient in ice cream is egg. As a rule, eggs are healthy as they provide protein. We need protein to grow and to repair any damage in our bodies. Unfortunately for ice cream lovers, organic or not, the white part of the egg, which is better for us, is not used in ice cream. Usually the yolk only is used in ice cream. This part of the egg is also high in fat and contains cholesterol as well. Sugar. The final ingredient in ice cream is sugar. Sugar is really bad for health. It can cause you to gain weight, lead to diabetes, heart disease, and some cancers. Sugar is available organically, but it has still been refined. The only way to make ice cream healthy is to adapt it. Freezing organic bananas and blending them with organic fruit puree makes a tasty ice cream. Fruit sorbets are also a much healthier option. Hopefully this video didn't make you crave ice cream too much. In any case, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time.